Hey guys, this is Wade from Firstech. I'm here to talk about the KP2. It's our new window touchpad sensor. It's a lot more intuitive, it's more sensitive, it allows you to enter up to 2 digits more than the previous sensor, and it's programmable over drone. Just a quick demo of the KP2. When you want to lock or arm your system, you're going to simply press and hold the lock symbol on the KP2 for about 3 seconds. Once the system is armed, the LED will start flashing red. When you're ready to disarm, you're going to enter your code. Now this code could be a 4-digit code, a 5-digit code, or a 6-digit code. It's pre-programmed at the time of installation. Simply tap the numbers you want to enter your code. And I'll have to change mine now, but once you've entered the right code, you're going to disarm your system, unlock your doors, and you're ready to go. Now if you enter the wrong code, you'll get an error over drone, or if you have a 2-way LCD paired to it, it's going to send you a notification telling you that something's gone wrong or there's been a wrong code entered. So you definitely want to check that out.